So what are hybrid spaces? Hybrid spaces are specialized units within organizations that do something that's different from the mainstream of the organization.
So for example, you could have a hybrid space, a specialized unit in a bank, a traditional bank, in order to start doing Sharia compliant banking. So it's still part of the bank, it still does banking, but now it does a different kind of banking in a different way. It needs a special space in which that can occur. So there's three main activities that have to be carried out in order to manage a hybrid space. First is leveraging, which is figuring out a way to use what the organization is that has value for some other external party.
So what that meant, for instance, is that in these centers, they pursued projects where intellectual property protection was actually not very important to the industrial partners. The industrial partners themselves were interested in the knowledge that was being produced to be widely disseminated as opposed to be protected.
Second is hybridization, which means you have to figure out a way to combine the way we do things around here with the way these other people do things in a useful and acceptable way. And third is bolstering, which means you need to protect what is really important to the organization so that that area, that new unit, is accepted by people in the organization as still being legitimately part of the organization.
It is actually possible for an organization to experiment with going into a different market, doing something different, and confine it within a space.
For example, we might have an investment bank that wants to do social good. What do? They create a special unit with a very different way and very different measures of success, and that special unit has to be managed successfully. So our research provides some ideas about how to think about what you're trying to do, and also provides some ideas on the basic things that you need to actually do in order to successfully have this sort of hybrid space within your organization.